The new Shine Pro 2-in-1 car drying towel. First, wring out the chamois. Make sure you get all the water out of it. We'd already washed this vehicle and then we sprayed a liquid wax on it. Start at the top of your vehicle. The microfiber leads while the chamois comes behind in one motion. Just glides across the car super easy. You don't have to press down on the vehicle so you don't put any abrasions on the vehicle. Just lightly glide the chamois and microfiber across the vehicle. Wring out when needed. Just wring it out really hard. You don't need a wringer. It wrings out real nice and easy. And then the microfiber leads while the chamois comes behind. One easy motion. There you have it. The Shine Pro 2-in-1, made for you.